The weather has taken a turn. It was very cloudy and even slightly drizzling just now. And I thought that's it, the rest of the day is gone. But suddenly the cloud moved away and now it's very sunny. So I decided to do what I wanted to do in the first place. I wanted to do some unboxing of stuff that I bought. I set up my tub. This is the Eric C tub that I got from Taobao. Very good quality tub, very strong. Could be a bit bigger, but this is good enough for 3 to 4 people. 1 to 2 people is perfect. I set it up with 2 poles and 6 ropes. So behind I just tie it downwards so that I get a little bit more shade at the back, not too much wind. Yeah, so today I want to talk about this. I just received this a couple of days ago. This is from Naturehike. It's called the double hammock. I have a couple of hammocks, and this is the first time I bought a double. And the name suggests that this is for up to 2 people. The weight bearing, I think it says maximum weight here is 200 kg. It uses 340T anti-tear polyester bungee. So I guess from Naturehike, it shouldn't be too bad. This whole thing weighs about 730 grams. I say it packs to about this size, so it's not too bad if you ask me. For hiking and all that, it's not too heavy. So, and then I'm going to use this, I like to call it harness or strap for the hammock. I usually do not use the rope that comes with the hammock because I feel that this, not only is it easier to set up, stronger, but also I feel that it is less harmful to the tree, right? And the ropes somehow, leaves behind a mark on the bark. This one is a lot gentle because you see it's very broad. And this one is, I believe the material is very similar to the one that you use for your car seat belt. So it's very strong, and it comes with a lot of hoops, so you can adjust it to the distance between the trees and all that. So this is very adjustable. One of this is 3 meters long, so I've got 2, 1 for each end, and so that's a total of 6 meters. So if your tree, including the hammock, if your tree is about up to about 8 meters apart, I think this one shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I forgot to mention that I'm also using this. This is the I call it the U ring. Okay, these are very heavy duty. I think these are 10 mm's with a couple of hundred kilos of weight bearing. So this one is very strong. Instead of tying knots, I use this. It's much easier to attach this from the strap to the hammock. So this is interesting. The pouch that the hammock was in is actually attached to the hammock itself. So I think you can use this as a pouch for your small stuff like your phone, your keys, and all that. I think that's very smart. Okay. The material feels very soft and smooth. Seems comfortable to me. Pretty big. Typically this is the kind of rope that comes with hammocks, and I typically don't use them. I have a lot of this at home. Any one of you want this, let me know. So each end of the hammock also comes with this similar material than to the strap I was using. It's very well stitched, looks and feels very strong. So this is how it looks like on both sides, and I don't think there is a front side or a back side. Let me check it out. I guess you can do it both ways. So you can see that the hammock has been set up. It took me a couple of minutes. It's actually quite simple. So with the hammock straps, all right, this tree is approximately, I reckon, 6 to 7 meters apart. So there's still a lot of allowance actually. I could make it longer or shorter. You can see there is still so much allowance here as well as here. So I can actually bring it much closer. So even if this tree was another 2 meters apart, it shouldn't be an issue. I've tested the hammock, it's pretty strong. It's lightweight. The material is very cooling and soft. It's supposed to hold 300 kg. I mean, come on. I think 3 of me can go on it and it won't break. And then the pouch that I was talking about, this is the one that keeps the hammock in. I guess you can just squeeze everything in and pack it. Pretty awesome. I like it. I like the color. This is the I think it's called a light gray. It's a very nice color, and definitely looks like it's wide enough for 2 people to be inside. And whether you want to sit on it like a swing or you want to lie down like a proper hammock bed sleep, I think it shouldn't be an issue. That's it. That's the Naturehike double hammock unboxing. I hope you liked the video. Take care.